Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share a great time saving tip with you. Imagine you have 50 part files and you need to create a drawing for each one. Think about how much time that would take. But what if I tell you that you could save up to 60 to 70% of time by automating this process? That's right, with the help of SolidWorks Task Scheduler, you can automatically generate drawing files from multiple part files in just few clicks. Before we start using Task Scheduler, we need to set up our drawing templates. Start by opening SolidWorks and create a new drawing file. This drawing template will serve as the base for all your drawings. While creating the template, it's crucial to define your predefined views. This helps to automatically place views like front, top, right and isometric views whenever the drawing is generated. Also, let's enable the automatic dimensioning. Go to Document Properties, Details and check the option to Dimension Mark for Drawing. This setting will automatically pull dimensions from the part file that have been marked for drawing. After setting up your views and enabling automatic dimensions, save the template by going to File, Save As. Make sure to save it as a drawing template file. Now let's move on to Task Scheduler. Open SolidWorks Task Scheduler from Start menu or SolidWorks Tools. Select Create Drawings from List of Tasks. In the Task Setup window, choose the drawing template you just created. Add the part file or add the folder where your parts files are stored. Set the output location where you want your drawing files to be saved. Same folder can be utilized for printing or PDF outputs. Finally, schedule the task to run at specific time. You can even set it during your lunch break or when you are away from your computer. Click Finish to start the process. Let Task Scheduler do the work for you. Once the task is completed, open any of the generated drawing files to see the result. You all notice that the drawing already has the predefined views and dimensions that you set up in the template. But there is one more thing you can do to enhance these drawings. Select all the dimensions by pressing Ctrl+A and you all notice a small icon pop up. Click on Auto Arrange Dimensions to neatly organize the dimensions on your drawing. This step adds a professional touch to your drawings and further reduces the time you would otherwise spend manually adjusting them. By using Task Scheduler, you are saving a significant amount of time. Whether you are working on 10 parts or 100, Task Scheduler automates the process of creating drawing files, allow you to focus on more important tasks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more SolidWorks tips and tricks.